Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Amos Addae and I'm the IT facilitator at Nona Graceland School. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to transfer files using Bluetooth on a PC. So let us delve right into it. So first thing you have to do is to go to Settings, and then you click on Devices and Bluetooth. Make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on, and also make sure that you've already paired or you've added the Bluetooth device you want to transfer the files onto. Okay, if you haven't done that, you should check out my other video on how to add a Bluetooth device to a PC. So you need to pair. So all the devices that are paired with appear here. You see over here. All the ones are paired with. So after you've done that, now you come and then you click on Send or Receive Files via Bluetooth. So you click here and then you choose. So this dialog says transfer files using Bluetooth. So you choose whether you're going to send a file or you're going to receive a file. So let's say we're going to send a file. You click on Send a File. Now, you make sure that the device you're going to send to has already been paired to the PC. That's the first thing. And then second thing, make sure that the device Bluetooth is turned on. Alright, so you have a PC here. I'm just going to click on this. Then I'm going to click on Next. I actually don't have any other PC with me right now, but let's say I'm sending it to this PC, and then or any phone. Then I click on Next. So then I choose the file I'm going to send. So I go to Browse, and then maybe the file is on the desktop. I zoom in. So I go to Defaults. Yeah, and then I choose maybe Updated Master Plan or Completing Curriculum to send. So I click to send. And then click Next. Alright, so it's connecting with the PC. There's no PC, so I'm sure it's going to fail. Alright, but that's it, by the way. But if you want to send, that's how you send it. Okay, so transfer not complete. Actually, I don't have any PC with me, so you can't transfer. Okay, you just cancel this. And also, let's say you wanted to receive. Let's try that one too. So you click on Receive, and then you wait for the connection. Okay, so that Bluetooth. So maybe your phone or on the other PC, on the next PC, okay, you're about to send. So you also go through the same process to send, and then I'll be waiting. When it's coming, it's going to pop up here on the screen. I'm going to see something like this, a bar will pop up around this side, and then to be loading. When it's done, I click on Finish, and then that's it. Alright, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye.